Let me start by thanking to the Trihita Karana Forum, that the World Economic Forum, for convening this meaningful dialogue. I'm very pleased to be here. It's indeed timely that we will have the historic launch of the G20 Bali Global Blended Finance Alliance Secretariat and letter of intent signing with the country founding members tomorrow. Today, we'll embark on this effort through a roundtable discussion on climate action leadership. I hope that you can provide insight on the pathways to balance and utilization of natural capital to enhance climate ambition and for communities' interests. As we look to the future, it's clear that work undertaken now can have far-reaching implications concerning the global challenges, particularly in unlocking the climate finance. And Indonesia came up with the G20 Bali GFEA initiative and was acknowledged in the G20 Bali Leaders Declaration 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this Global Blended Finance Alliance is very important, especially for the developing countries. So I was with the minister from Africa yesterday. They were very, very happy with this Global Blended Finance Alliance, G20 Bali, could support the Global South cooperation. This is, I think, the good opportunity for the developing countries to have a lot of projects in their own country. This morning, I just welcome Elon Musk. He just landed in Bali, and he's now waiting for for our further discussion. But in the car from Bali Airport, yeah, he was lecturing me about rocket, Starship, Starship. He showed me they said, General Luhut, this is the the Starship that we plan to. Because I asked him first, are you still serious to your dreams to send the Starship to Mars? He said yes, we are very serious, and he showed me the plan, And to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, I offer him also the launching pad in Biak. And I said to him, Biak is very suitable maybe for this because it's the equator, so the cost much cheaper. The other issue I've been discussed also about, about mangrove. I said, hey, you're talking always about the rockets and this and that, but you should talk also, address about climate change, So one issue about the mangrove. Mangrove, Indonesia has a program around 600,000 hectares mangrove replanting and been successful the first 200,000 hectares, and we're still ongoing now. So this is, I think, the other side of Elon. And he said, hey, General, Tesla also care about the environment. So why don't you also join the groundbreaking of the Mangrove Research Center? I said, huh? But this is an impromptu offer to him, So we'll see what happens. So I just whispered to Sherry, if Elon joined this afternoon for the for the groundbreaking of Mangrove Research Center, you should accommodate him, So let him, so that we don't like this something like that, So this is, I think, very important as look at the issue about the climate change, and we can do together a lot. And I'm very happy that THK also working very closely to facilitating this ideas. Ladies and gentlemen, furthermore, there will be disruptive to the communities in the social economy from the energy transition. They rely on either fossil fuel extraction or those industries that are using fossil fuel. But this one also is not easy because the developing country like Indonesia, we want to high income country. We cannot just shut down the coal fire, but we have to do it gradually because we have to think about how do we cancel the PPA and who's going to take care of the finance of this and how do you maintain our base load in order to maintain our economic growth as well. So ladies and gentlemen, again, thank you very much for this meeting, and to Sherry and to the team, again, thank you very much. And the government of Indonesia give a fully support, like our discussion yesterday about family office with some expert. It was a very, very beautiful discussion, and we learn a lot, and I offer them, if you come up with your ideas and let us know, government of Indonesia, what should be done in order to accommodate more people like in Singapore. In Singapore and Hong Kong and Dubai, there are so many family office. In Singapore, like 1,500. In Hong Kong, maybe more. So, and then they said, I was so surprised. They said, Bali is a very beautiful place to do it. Why don't we make Bali become hub of the family office, which is that, what do you need from the government of Indonesia? And come up with your ID, and we'll discuss again on the 3rd of June. We're going to move very quick. They said they were so surprised. I said, yes, I'm the government, so don't worry. Thank you very much. Enjoy our gathering today.